way back in the day. You can't take that shit to the grave. Don't let the money make you. You can't take that shit to the grave.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate all the love that y'all showing on my channel so far. Keep on liking, subscribing, commenting, doing everything that y'all doing so far, man. I appreciate the love. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. We talked about it in our last video. We talked about cryptocurrencies, about how Meg Thee Stallion, Logan Paul, Lionel Messi, all these people were just investing in cryptos and really just spokespeople for crypto and how big it's going to be. Right, but today, what we about to talk about is e-commerce dropshipping. If you're not familiar with e-commerce dropshipping, that's just the process of doing traditional sales, but you're doing it online. So I've been personally doing this for the last 5 years. It's been consistently profitable for me.
Go ahead, you got it.
Profitable for me over the last 5 years. But let me tell you something about it. It's 5 things, well, really tons of things you want to avoid when you're actually doing this. And I'm gonna give you 5. Right, I'm gonna give you 5 things that you want to avoid actually dropshipping whenever you get into the space. Number 1, first thing that I actually came into the space and I realized you don't want to be drop shipping anything that's fragile. The reason I say that, because, you know, I used to have ideas like, let's drop ship some snow globes, man. Everybody be getting snow globes. I see in your grandma's house, your cousin's house, all that good stuff. You always see snow globes, especially the ones you can shake up. It's good for the kids, all that good stuff. You see what I'm saying? But one thing about those, you're gonna have to end up replacing a lot of those snow globes, because, you know, when you're dealing with people that's shipping, you know, a lot of these products are gonna be coming from China just to, you know, because they're the fastest, you know, the most efficient. You can find a, you know, the cheapest product, cheap merchandise from China, right? So you can expect, you know, some, you know, problems to happen along the way. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's just the game with selling anything online or, you know, buying anything online. So when it comes to these fragile products, avoid like snow globes, right? Avoid like vases, you know, anything like that to where, you know, it can possibly break or even get lost or missing in the mail. Number 2, you want to make sure that you're actually drop shipping products that can actually be advertised on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, because, you know, advertisements are key. Because, you know, one thing about your, you know, your general market that you're actually talking to on your Instagram platform, on your personal accounts, you know, they're not going to be supporting you the way that you're expecting them to support when you first starting up. That's a gem. Make sure you catch that. You know what I'm saying? They're not going to support you. So you can't let that, you know, slow you down or hold you back. What you got to focus on is reaching more people. Right? Exposure, getting attention to your product, right? So doing advertisement, getting ad placement is a great way to reach more people. So if you're promoting anything that's offensive or is not going to pass the community guidelines, you know what's offensive, man. There's a lot of things that's going on in this world right now. Just stay woke, stay aware, and make sure that they're going to pass the community guidelines, because once they pass community guidelines, you get out to more people, then your product's going to start getting to more people to start getting more sales. Third thing that I believe that you should avoid when you're getting started in drop shipping is definitely food. The reason I say that is because you may be dealing with a manufacturer that be having, you know, semi-organic product, just like half the things that's in the store that we're eating. If it says organic on the package, it doesn't mean that it's going to be organic, you know, 99% of the time. You know what I'm saying? So one thing you should avoid is food, because you may run into that. You may run into things getting spoiled on the way through shipping, all of that types of things. So I would say until you actually scale up, you get more experience, I would stay away from food. And if you're even thinking about doing food at the beginning when there's so many other better products, what the fuck is you even thinking, fam? Number 4, definitely make sure that you avoid drop shipping anything that may be harmful, like a gun. Look, man, before I even get into that, have y'all been seeing how many 2-year-olds been catching bodies? Rest in peace to those families. But listen, it's getting wicked out here, man. If you're not leaving these guns on locks, if you're not leaving them locked up in the car, leaving them in the glove compartment, leaving them in your closet, leaving them up under the bed, all those different types of things to actually hide these guns, fam, make sure that you're doing that, because, man, I've been seeing 2-year-olds really smoking their parents. See what I'm saying? That is wild. I can't even imagine growing up when I was 2 years old and just picking up a gun. You know what I'm saying? I probably would just pow too. See what I'm saying? So definitely make sure you avoid harmful things, because if you're putting it in the mail, it may get dropped off at the wrong house. You may be dealing with the feds, all different types of things like that, because, you know, it's definitely illegal to just be sending products around to random people on the internet. See what I'm saying? But definitely make sure that you got all the licenses if you do decide to sell any type of guns or weapons online. But definitely make sure you avoid that if you knew them, because I know y'all not licensed. And last but definitely not least, never, ever sell yourself short. Fam, when I first got into this, it took me 8-9 months. I can't even remember, because, you know, that was way back, you know, 5 years ago. But when I first got started, my first 8-9 months, I didn't make over $100 profit in a single entire month. Over and over and over again. I kept telling myself while I was stuck in the dorm room. Right now, we a couple floors up in the sky. See what I'm saying? But, you know, back then, you know, I used to doubt myself over and over and over again. Why is my product not selling today? Well, you know, where's my customers? Where's my engagement? All of that good stuff. one thing that, that helped me is that I look myself in the mirror and I realize, yo, I'm holding myself back because I'm worried about people's opinions. I'm worried about, my product not selling. I'm switching up too fast. And I'm just not really believing in the vision that's actually been shown to me. Right? People that's close to you, they may be blinded by the light that you're giving off. They might not be buying your products and all of that good stuff. So you may not start off fast. You may start off slow. See what I'm saying? But, at the end of the day, the people that's further away, that see these products, that see that consistency, that see that you're growing, that see that your brand, see your vision, they're going to see that light and they're going to want to get closer and they want to see what it's about. They're going to start buying. They're going to start getting into that program. They're going to start buying your products. They're going to be doing everything that you need your brand to do to actually inspire people to actually get to this bag, fam. So without further ado, fam, let's keep it real with the audience. Let's keep it real. I love y'all. I'll see y'all at the next video.
Got my back against the wall. I learned way back in the day that you can't take that shit to the grave. Don't let the money make you. You can't take that shit to the grave.